Hey everybody, it's Binky and I'm back, and if you want to see what I have in store for you, then stay tuned. In the title of this video, you will know that I am T-minus 1 week away from my Sisterlock install. So I have been researching Sisterlocks for maybe about 2 years or so, and it's just something that I feel like would be the best decision for me and my lifestyle, and just the overall, I'm done with messing with my hair. So I'm one of those people that every week I got a new hairstyle. I do them myself. I was very into the crochet braid thing, and I had new crochet twists and braids and whatever every week, every 2 weeks, as long as I could stand them not looking fuzzy, and then I would redo them. And so I just got into the point where I'm just really tired of being natural. I'm tired of my hair. I don't want to perm because I still don't want to do the things that are unnatural, if that makes sense. So researching the Sisterlocks and just getting into them and how beautiful they look, and I have a whole Pinterest page on Sisterlocks and how I want mine to look, and I follow all these Sisterlock people on Instagram. And so it took me about 1.5 years to actually get to the point where I actually want to find a consultant. So I found my consultant. I had my consultation with her. That was probably, I want to say it was about a month ago that I had a consultation with her, and she did give me some test locks. Some of them I have taken out, but some of them I still have. So I have a little tiny baby lock on this side that she put in, and it's still there. This little one right here. And there's another longer one on this side, but it's of course in my braids. So I've been wearing these for about a week. It's cold here in Houston. Today I'm guessing it's probably a little warmer outside. I didn't check the temperature. No, it's 54. It's not that warm. But I've been wearing my hair like this for this week at work. And today what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to deep condition my hair using the Cream of Nature intense conditioning treatment. I did have a bottle of this, and this is what I was using on my natural hair, but I'm out, so I just bought 2 of the packs, and I'm going to do a deep conditioning treatment on my hair. Not too close to when my Sisterlock install is due, but far enough to where my hair will be most of the way moisturized. That's what my plan is. I'm also going to trim my ends today. Because I haven't had a trim in a long time. I do it myself, and it's just been a really long while since I've done it, and it needs to be done. Maybe week before last I did a streaking type of color, because my loctician suggested that if I did want color, that I should do it before I get the Sisterlocks done, because I would have to wait maybe 1 year or so after I get them done to dye my hair. So I did do some streaking. I used the Cream of Nature color system. I used a honey blonde, and I don't remember what the red is called, but it's some kind of red. And I did it very lightly, mostly in the back. I didn't really do it in the front. You can't really see it a lot. I just wanted just a little highlight when I do get my Sisterlocks, so they just don't look completely boring and just, you know, black or whatever. Not that black is boring if it's healthier looking, but it was just something that I wanted to do. So I'm taking down my braids because, like I said, I'm going to do a deep conditioning treatment on my hair. This is the length of my hair right now. I've been natural since February 2014. And I've cut my hair a couple of times. But what, it's 2019, so what, 5 years pretty much. And I'm just tired. I'm tired. I'm over it. I'm done. I've had my fun with it. You know, I'm very well known for my afro. And I wear it out a lot to work or out or whenever wherever I'm going. But it's just something that is very hard to maintain. It's very tiring to continuously, you know, spray my hair with water and use all these products and, you know, try to pick it out or twist it out or braid it up and is keep it from being dry. It's just really, really tiring. And I just really want to be able to put a bonnet on, wake up in the morning, fluff my hair and go. Like, that's it. Where's my other test lock? It's over here. So this is the one here on the side. She did here. I had one in the back and that one was there for the longest, but it came out during my last wash. And then there's one that's somewhere off in here in the back. I never can really find it when I'm looking for it, but when I'm combing my hair I find it. But yeah, she did one in the front, one here, and then, you know, my little one on the side, and then she had one on the back, and then there's one like here somewhere in the middle. She measured my hair after she test locked it, and I believe she said that my hair is 14 inches like in the middle part. The front part of my hair was 12, and then I think like on the sides it was like 10. So she averaged it to about 12 inches, you know, for price ranging. She has a reasonable price for the amount of hair and the length that I have. A lot of people are like, oh my god, Sisterlocks are so expensive. I would never pay that amount of money to get my hair done. It's an investment if you have it and if that's what you want, and it's what I want and I have the money and I'm gonna do it. So there's that. I watched plenty of Sisterlock videos, and you know, people talk about the Sisterlock community and how, you know, on it they are about certain things, and you know, this has to be this, and if you don't have this and you don't have this and this and this and it's not Sisterlocks, that's all fine. I don't really care that much. It's just I want the style, I want the size, I want the grid pattern. I think it'd be very good for you know, doing what I want to do with my hair. I'm very consistent when it comes to my hair, so it's not something I would let go for a long time and have, you know, loss of locks or that kind of thing. The only thing I do worry about is, you know, on this side I have very thin hair, and it's just always been that way. It's grown back a lot from what it was. What originally happened on this side was I had braids, and back when I was living in my previous city before I moved to Houston, I was doing pole exercising and taking pole classes, and I was doing a pole trick and I gripped my arm around the pole and my hair was down, and then I raised up and pulled the braid out of the side of my head. So it's just kind of been, you know, doing its own thing since then. And you know, I slick my edges down. It's really not a big deal. It's not super bald, but it's not as full as I would like it to be. Hopefully, you know, with the Sisterlocks, and you know, my Sisterlock consultant is a licensed cosmetologist, and she did tell me, like when he was doing my hair, she's like, you know, Sisterlocks advises, you know, not to put any oils or anything in your hair or on your scalp. She said, but as a licensed cosmetologist, I'm not going to tell you that. She's like, I'm going to tell you not to put it on your hair, you know, to prevent your hair from not locking. She's like, but I'm not going to tell you not to put oil on your scalp. She's like, because I'm just not going to do that. And so I told her, you know, I've been using the Jamaican black castor oil like on my sides, and you know, that's how it's grown back, but I'm very inconsistent with that. But just in this change of my life and the time that I am, who I am at this point and at my age, I'm wanting something that's more, it's less maintenance, more manageable. I can still do all the styles that I want to do, and to me, in my mind, it's like having box braids for the rest of my life, and to me that just sounds wonderful. Like, who wouldn't want to do that? I want to do that. So I don't have a length goal right now. I feel like I would be comfortable with my hair probably mid-back. I wouldn't want it any longer than that, because I feel like anything longer than that is just too much, and it might get back to the non-manageable side for me. So that's not something that I'm trying to do. So like I said, today I'm going to deep condition my hair, and I'm going to trim my ends. And I don't think you guys can see the color, because before I start this video I didn't turn the light on in my room. I didn't even think about that. But you might can see a little bit of this brown like on the side or whatever. But I think I have a picture saved and I'll insert the picture where you can see the color a little bit. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. And then my install is on November 22nd and 23rd of 2019. So we are starting at 6 a.m. and going until 11 p.m. that night. So I will show you guys, hopefully on that day I'll remember, or maybe the night before. I'll show you guys everything that I'm packing for my install, everything that I'm getting ready, and just kind of update you through the process, and you know, just kind of create a journey marker for myself. A lot of people have YouTube channels on Sisterlocks, and I just think it's something that I want to do, and I'm gonna do it. So thank you guys for watching. Like my video and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.
I'm living my best life. Yeah, yeah.